Do you know how to read this Arabic word? Many learners see it, but don't know where to begin. Let me break it down step by step so it becomes easy to read and remember.
So it's X on Provence. We don't have a P, so we write a B instead. Provence. We also don't have a V, so we use the F instead. See? Aix-en-Provence. And notice how we use long vowels, because we usually don't write short vowels when we write names of cities or countries, so we use long vowels instead.
Oh, and by the way, I tricked you. That was in fact a French word written in Arabic. It's the name of a French city, Aix-en-Provence.